Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai vehicle guys. If you have a Hyundai, your AC does not work, the AC compressor doesn't work, it doesn't cool, and this is because you have a bad AC pressure switch. Stay with us, we'll explain where it's located, what it does, how to remove it, how to replace it. If you do it the wrong way guys, you can hurt yourself, you can get yourself a big fine, and you can lose all the Freon all of a sudden, which can make a huge mess and actually even blind you. So you have to be extremely careful. Even though we're working on a Hyundai Sonata, the video should be helpful on multiple Hyundai models, and it may be helpful on some models such as Hyundai Sonata, Elantra, Tucson, Santa Fe, Veloster and Accent as well. So let's explain how to do that now. So, let me guys introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix up almost anything on these vehicles guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your car for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. And another thing, if those modern vehicles, they're pretty complicated guys, quite a bit of electronics. If you want to learn how to do diagnostics, fix electrical components, work on your car even more, check out this channel guys that we have developed. It's called Electrical Car Repair Life. We have videos that can save you guys practically thousands of dollars. So this specifically 2013 Hyundai Sonata. Let's explain how the system works. So if we look from underneath guys on your Hyundai, you're going to find your AC compressor. This is your AC compressor driven by the AC belt, by the serpentine belt. And if you look at it from the top, it's that device all the way on the bottom. Okay, let me plug this device here so the cable is not in the way, but it's all the way back there, you can see. Now when you turn the button to turn the AC on, the air conditioner, the AC clutch will activate, okay, and will turn the compressor, but that will happen only if your AC pressure switch is working and if you have the required amount of pressure in the system. So the engine computer will come to that sensor right here, which is known as AC pressure switch. It's going to calculate how much pressure you have in the system and tell the AC clutch if it's safe to turn on. Now if that switch is malfunctioning, your AC system will not work, okay, your air conditioner will not work. So how do you guys remove and replace that thing? Pretty simple. If you guys just remove it, first, okay, all the Freon will come out. Second, that's illegal. Third, it can seriously hurt you. You need to take your car to a shop, they hook it to a vacuum machine, they suck all the Freon out, and your system will be completely empty. Because if you don't empty your system, okay, you can hurt yourself, get a fine, okay, and actually damage things. So don't do that guys. Now, and kill the atmosphere at the same time. So once you have your system completely empty, you can remove that switch. How you do that? Right here, you press down and you disconnect the wire. Okay. Now the switch itself, you need to hold it on the bottom. In most cases, it's 18mm socket. Wrench, excuse me, because if you don't hold it, you try to remove it and you twist the line and you will break it. You don't want that to happen guys. 24mm in our case, and we're going to go ahead and remove it. Make sure you still don't have any pressure, because if you do, it will all come out and it can seriously hurt you guys. Always wear eye protection, gloves, safety first, right? So this is the switch itself. Make sure you don't forget to install the gasket when you install the new switch. Most of them come with a new gasket. So that's how we remove it. If you want to see how to test one guys and find out if it's good or bad, how to test AC pressure switch on a Hyundai vehicle, okay, it's pretty simple test. Video is coming very soon on our channel. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.